But one, do vector calculus just for fun. They see me mowing my front lawn. I know they're all thinking I'm so wild.